Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. Week channel. As you know, I do like to make videos about cars, motorcycles, caravans, my own life, challenge, food reviews. Really? Oh, are you kidding me? Please, no F words in my channel. Holy moly! So let's do this epic video. Stay tuned. I missed the week, guys. Today I'm in Henley-on-Thames, but I'm in the grounds of Stonor Park. It's a beautiful house here, as you will see. I'm in the grounds, like I said, of Stonor Park. Here is going to happen today a supercar and a classic car show. I can see awesome cars. I even have seen my favorite car ever. So let's go. Look how gorgeous is this Jensen? I'm sorry sir if I'm not spelling right. Oh, the Carbon 65, is that right? Chevrolet. How cool is this Corvette? C7. This is a limited edition. Actually they call it the 650, so they make 650 worldwide. Actually there's just two of them here in Europe. One in UK, the other in Denmark. This is really cool. Look at this Lotus, really stunning. We got here a Ferrari 550, really cool. A Honda NSX, as you can see, is very popular. Look how many people they still look at this car. I tell you what, the Japanese, I think they wanted the sports cars, and that's what they made. They made this Honda NSX, and I call them the Japanese Ferrari. Look at that, it's even in red, guys. Aston Martin Vantage. This is a limited edition, let me to tell you. This is a V12. Just look at the amount of work that he did. This is really incredible. Look at the craftsmanship on this engine. Love this car. This is so rare. The Jaguar, this is the daddy. It's got a supercharger. This is the RS. Very rare, let me to tell you. This is very fast because it's a supercharger.
Right. And yeah.
Got a Bentley here, a classic car. This is really stunning, very rare, let me to tell you. There's another one in red. Oh my goodness, this looks a proper thing. Special bus. What they got here? River radio. Look at that. But today is a radio. Let's see what it's happening inside. So this is cool. This is cool.
Little toilet facility.
Now, is it?
Now,
the
VIP room.
Is it? Oh wow.
It's our disco room.
No way.
A soft play area for young people with certain needs.
This is cool.
To life.
Yeah, I'm with you.
They're doing interviews with the owner of the house.
Not with Mr. Week. Plenty of supercars, old cars, classic cars, and maybe some hypercars that I have found just one, but perhaps we'll see more as we got a Maserati just there. The 208, my goodness, that is really cool. I love a classic car like those two Ferraris and even the new one, the F12. This is really cool. To eat or just to relax. You don't have to do nothing. As we have seen, just Steve Ryder is there.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
Just look at this Lamborghini Countach. Actually, hopefully in a couple months I will drive one and make a video of one. This is a weapon and this is beautiful. It doesn't need to be fast, but look at the design. Even after 50 years, would you believe it, this car is still awesome and gorgeous. Look how wide actually is this rear spoiler. It's so wide actually. If there was 3 people to come, it would be 2 inside and the third person could lie down here. Easy. They made different models with different specs, but this is beautiful and gorgeous.
It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for.
The Ferrari Testarossa is called the 512 as well. This is a really cool. I love this car. This is a resemblance, isn't it, of the Ferrari 348 here, with those air vents through the door and to the back panel. It's a cool car, let me to tell you. The Ferrari 348 GTS, this is really cool. As you can see, look at what I mentioned to yourselves about the Ferrari Testarossa. Look, you see, they share actually the same or very similar to these air vents. They come in through the door, and what it does, it gives you access to the engine in the rear, so it helps to cool down this awesome car. And isn't it gorgeous in blue? You normally see them in red, so it's nice to see a Ferrari in blue. 354 Berlinetta convertible. This is really cool. A 360 here. There's another 360 in black, as you can see it just there. Or a Ferrari SF90. My goodness, this is a hybrid car with 1000 brake horsepower, 220 miles an hour. This is a weapon. This is really cool actually. I just love this car. Or supercar, let me to tell you, it's got batteries, so you can do actually 16 miles on a batteries on his own. So if you go into town, so we got here the Ferrari 812 super fast, that's what it's called. We got a Ferrari 430, the Ferrari 575, and it's really cool. As we got another 430, the convertible one, nice in black actually. Look at this, the Lamborghini Murcielago. I'm a big fan of these cars, let me to tell you. Actually, something particular that always caught my eye is here, guys. This will go up over 60 miles an hour, or you can leave them down as well, but this is really cool. It will come up, and it looks similar actually to the Lamborghini Countach. We got the Gallardo, a Huracan here, nice in orange. Actually, we got 2 here, one side by side. That one has got the roof in black, as we got the orange roof there. Awesome cars here. So this is just Lamborghinis here, as you can see, Aventadors, the Huracans. Awesome. Wow, my goodness, I love this supercars paddock, and this is just Lamborghinis here, all in one place. Which one would you take it? I don't know actually, I'm still confused. The STO. I'm a big fan of this car. You can see them in so many different colors, and this is the first one that I came across actually, is in purple. This is really stunning, limited edition. This is really cool. Lamborghini Diablo. Big fan of this car, and in purple. I've seen in so many different colors, but in purple actually is quite cool. It's another V12. My goodness, this is fantastic. This is the VT, one of the latest ones. I just love this car. I'm gonna end my video here by the Stonor house. Isn't that a beautiful building? And what an amazing array of cars they are here. I did saw my favorite car ever is the Ferrari F40, but I'm gonna choose a different car here for the show. I'm gonna end here by the Lamborghini Countach. This is really stunning, and I love this car. 50 years of this car. Actually, you can buy now the new one. I would say is a supercar rather than a hypercar. This is a supercar as well. Hope you enjoy it. Perhaps I will do part 1 or 2 because I want to show you more cars, and I want to include the majority of the cars on my videos, guys. This is my lifestyle. As you know, I do like to make all sorts of videos and share with all of you around the world. I'm very grateful that you watch my videos, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.